Alright guys, this is just going to be a short update video. We got a ton of parts and we're going to be hopefully installing them and getting this thing in a better state before it gets too cold and waste the whole summer. Stay tuned. Right now I've been working on a line lock video, but experienced a little bit of difficulties. It's leaking and stuff like that, so let me show you that right now. It's got a bunch of sawdust everywhere. I'll have to clean that off. But right there I got the line lock, and there's a fitting underneath that's been leaking. Use the right fittings and everything, but you know, eBay, and it's an NPT port, and you shouldn't need any sealant with those because they're kind of naturally sealing, and it is leaking. So we're gonna fix that soon and get that wired up. And to wire it up, I got this I'm working on right now. So I took off this panel, and yeah, sorry Dylan, I'm using your hood as a table. So yeah, it'll be like the fan, and then like line lock, bunch of stuff. Maybe like this would be like a blower motor maybe, and get rid of this. I don't know how it's gonna go, but yeah, you just turn it on, flicking it up, and then to shut it off, boom. So that's pretty awesome. And then yeah, here's another thing. So right now, all the gauges, when there was an interior, right now it's all pulled apart, but we're down there. And because I am taking the interior largely out, I'm gonna move the gauges up to here. And I never had a good fuel pressure gauge, so I went ahead and got this Pro Sport fuel pressure gauge, which we'll be installing. It's pretty cool. I took it apart already, so sorry about the lame unboxing, but it's got this dumb little shield thing. And then it looks like a higher quality one than my last one, which was like a good brand. Comes with a wiring harness, and then this will light up red, amber, or whatever. And then the sending unit looks a lot better than the others I've seen. It just looks more professional. So yeah, and then there's the mounting bracket. So that'll be going up top there. And then one more thing. Back in the car here, you can see that when maybe this carpet is out, this shifter might look pretty lame. So I went ahead and got a floor mounted shifter, really tall one with a big like bearing in it. It's adjustable. I got that from Click Tuning. So we'll see about that. Hopefully getting rid of all this carpet. I'll have to relocate these window motors probably too. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. But stay tuned. I know it's a lot of stuff, so we'll be making some videos. Sorry about the no videos. You can see the car. Feels pretty negative about that. Yeah, thanks for watching. It's just a short update, and we'll have a video hopefully really soon, wiring all those switches up and finishing the line lock, making that fitting not leak, and then eventually installing that shifter and making it more race car. So yeah, for now, just wait for our next dank vid, and thanks for watching. Peace out.